Ever wondered about the safety of COVID-19 vaccines and their effects on our heart cells? Today, we delve into a recent research paper published in the British Journal of Pharmacology that explores this very question. Let's cast our minds back to when COVID-19 first made its grand, unwelcome entrance. Scientists and drug companies across the globe raced against time, developing vaccines to combat this invisible enemy. Two of the frontrunners in this race were Moderna with Spikevax and Pfizer BioNTech with Comirnaty. These trailblazers were the first mRNA vaccines, using a snippet of the virus's genetic code to teach our bodies how to recognize and fight the virus. Ensuring their safety was and continues to be of utmost importance. Enter Dr. Rolf Schreckenberg and his dedicated team from Germany, who took on the task of investigating how these vaccines might interact with our heart cells. With so many of us getting these vaccines, it's paramount to understand their potential effects on our hearts. Taking a closer look, the research team examined how human heart cells interact with these vaccines. A meticulous process, the study was designed to unravel the mysteries that lie in the interaction between the heart and these mRNA vaccines, namely Spikevax by Moderna and Comirnaty by Pfizer BioNTech. To understand this, the scientists delved into the heart of the matter, literally. They examined samples of heart tissues looking for the presence of a specific piece of the COVID-19 virus, the notorious spike protein. This is the very target of these vaccines, the piece of the virus's genetic code that they are designed to recognize and fight. The next step was to bring the vaccines into the picture. They introduced the ingredients of these vaccines to human heart cells. The aim here was to observe if these cells would accept the vaccine's genetic information and subsequently produce the spike protein on their own. A fascinating process indeed. The results of the study were intriguing. Both vaccines did have an effect on the regular beating of the heart cells. But here's the twist. Each vaccine interacted with the heart cells differently. The heart cells did not just passively accept the vaccine's ingredients. Instead, they actively responded, producing the spike protein in response. This discovery was significant. It meant that the vaccines were not just bystanders in our bodies waiting for the virus to show up. They were actively interacting with our heart cells, prompting them to create the spike protein. This finding could explain why some people experience heart-related side effects after receiving the vaccine. It also provides a clue as to why some people continue to have lingering heart symptoms even after recovering from COVID-19. It appears that the vaccines are interacting directly with the heart cells, prompting them to create a specific part of the virus, known as the spike protein. This discovery underscores the importance of understanding the intricate interactions between these vaccines and our bodies as we continue to navigate through the complexities of the COVID-19 pandemic. So what does this mean for us, and why does it matter? When we consider the implications of these findings, we're drawn to a better understanding of the human body's intricate response to these revolutionary vaccines. The study shows that the vaccines might directly interact with our heart cells, causing them to produce the spike protein. This discovery could be a game changer in how we approach post-vaccination cardiac care. Doctors now have a new piece of the puzzle when it comes to diagnosing and treating heart issues post-vaccination. If a patient presents with irregular heartbeats after receiving their COVID-19 jab, this research could help medical professionals understand why. It offers them a more comprehensive view of the symptoms, enabling them to tailor treatments more effectively and potentially prevent more severe heart-related complications. The study's findings might also shed light on why some people experience ongoing heart symptoms even after they've recovered from COVID-19. The persistence of the spike protein in heart cells could be causing these lingering effects. This insight could lead to improved post-COVID care, helping those who are grappling with these symptoms find relief and return to their normal lives faster. But let's not lose sight of the bigger picture here. Yes, understanding the potential side effects of these vaccines is essential, but so is recognizing their indispensable role in combating the COVID-19 pandemic. These mRNA vaccines, despite their potential effects on heart cells, have been instrumental in saving millions of lives worldwide. They've given us a fighting chance against a virus that has claimed too many lives and disrupted our world in unprecedented ways. In essence, the key is balance and understanding. We need to continue encouraging vaccination while also acknowledging and studying potential side effects. It is this comprehensive approach that will allow us to navigate this pandemic most effectively and safeguard our health in the long run. The mRNA COVID-19 vaccines interact with our heart cells in specific ways. While they play a crucial role in fighting the pandemic, understanding potential side effects helps us stay informed and prepared.